Okay, today we're gonna try the poop with fart sound. Okay, so let's see. Drive it. Spin, and it goes back and whoops.
My poop is too excited.
Ooh, you can drive around, spin around,
He kept controlling
and make the poop sound again.
He farted at you. That means he farted.
Okay, so how do you like this toy, Chloe?
A lot.
You love it? So fun?
You need toilet paper with that?
Okay, so what do you say?
Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.